Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the 2003 Harley-Davidson Sportster project. And welcome back to my nightmare. Listen guys, I gotta let you know right now, I gotta be upfront and honest with you. I don't really have a video put together for you guys because I've been struggling with the wiring on this motorcycle. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I decided that I wanted to add this tail light and these turn signals. Now I got the same turn signals up on the front of the bike. The issue that I'm having with it is they won't blink. I cannot get these turn signals to blink to save my life. And I'm gonna tell you right now that they're not LED. They have a bulb in them. So that's kind of where I'm having the issue that I'm having. Let me walk around to the other side so you can see a little better. The factory wiring is a 3-wire system. All right, it's a 3-wire system. So you got your ground, your running light, and your intermittent flashing light. So I went ahead and I got on Amazon and I purchased a 3-wire turn signal bulb. Okay, the 3-wire turn signal. A ground, running light, intermittent so that it blinks. Listen up guys. It's not LED. It actually takes this bulb right here. I made sure of this so that I wouldn't run into the problem that I'm running into right now. I have gone, I don't think you can see any of that, but this is basically a wiring diagram of the motorcycle. I have gone through everything extensively. Everything. And I can't figure out why it won't blink. This is the turn signal control module. Everything on this works perfectly. I've checked the ground. Everything is grounded perfect. What's happening to this motorcycle is when I go to use the turn signal, I hit the button and it'll just light up and stay on. It won't blink. I can't figure out for the life of me why it won't. Now, I have done some research online and there's a thing called, man, if I'm saying this right, like a voltage equalizer, I think. Load equalizer? I don't really remember the name of it offhand, but the truth of the matter is, everything I've read is for if you're upgrading to an LED system. Well, I'm not upgrading to an LED system. I'm leaving it with a bulb. So guys, basically for the last week, I've been struggling with this project. I'm stuck and I need your help. So this is what I need, okay? I need you guys to, obviously I want you to like and subscribe and everything else, but I really wish if any of you have gone through the problem that I'm running through right now, if you'll drop a comment below and let me know what I can do to fix this. Because to be completely honest with you guys, I have other projects waiting to get on the lift right now. I got my wife's bike over here. She's got a Dyna Switchback. I need to change the oil, change the brakes, change the brake fluid on it. I have a lot of other work to get done on these bikes so that we are ready for the summer. I got a Sportster over here that I need to go through 100% so that I can get it sold. I need to do a fluid change on my Road Glide over there. I basically need my motorcycle table back. Now I will tell you guys this. I've already ordered the forward controls and I'm gonna make a video showing you guys how to put it on there. So you Sportster guys that have mid controls, you've been curious on how to switch up to the forward controls, I'm gonna do a video and show you how. I need to order the seat, the part to the seat so that I can get that Springer seat mounted on here. So there's really nothing for me to go over with this bike with you guys. Everything is pretty much still in the exact same condition. I'm trying to get the electrical figured out. Once I get the electrical figured out, then we can move on to the forward controls. Then we can move on to the seat. I mean, this thing is almost done. I got the grips on. Everything is coming together on this thing. I got a few items that I need to black out. I'm gonna go ahead and all this chrome, I'm gonna get this blacked out. I do have, right over here, I have, can you see that? I have the factory shock. Now, the shocks that are on this motorcycle are the Burley Slammer shocks. See the difference in them? I'm 6'5". I've told you guys this before, I'll say it again. I'm building, don't fall, don't fall. I'm actually building this motorcycle for me to ride. Now I am gonna sell this motorcycle, and when I do, I'm gonna make sure to include the Burley Slammer shocks. But at 6'5", I need a little bit of ground clearance. So I'm definitely putting the stock shocks back on it just to go putz around and have some fun with it. So I really wish I had more to show you. I really do. But every video I've taken this week has just been a time lapse of me soldering wires, cutting wires, resoldering wires, using my test light, my digital voltmeter, just trying to figure out, do I got a short somewhere? Is it not grounded? So basically, I'm gonna keep this video kind of short and sweet. I need your help desperately. Hopefully one of you guys can help me. So just like that, this video is over. I hope you guys liked it. Hit the like button, subscribe. More importantly, if you know what to do to get these turn signals to flash, please, please leave a comment below. And this is Big Show saying, I'm not a professional, but that's not gonna stop me from working on my own stuff, and so should you. I'll see you next video.